Hi everyone, we have a new topic to discuss here because our Prime Minister has introduced a new challenge that is about creating new world class made in India apps. Okay, that is as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. Okay, so our Prime Minister has introduced this challenge on July 4 and launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. This is for the local developers for creating indigenous app. Okay, so this will be good for the startup system because at this point of time we have the need, and this need will be facilitating a strong support for them to develop the apps. Okay, so actually we have already identified or understood the importance of this application or technology in the day-to-day life during this corona attack, because many times like education of our children, we have depended on the technologies like Zoom, other kind of technologies. So in order to ensure their education, not only education, also to track corona contacts, also we have used various GPS based applications for ensuring the ensuring their safety. Okay, so we have tracked the patient's contact based on this kind of GPS based applications. So these kind of things are strongly pointing that these technologies are very important for our day-to-day life, and many people have depended these technologies for continuing their job from their home. Okay, so this is a part of our life, and this technology has become a very important part of our life. So this kind of technologies or application is very important, and in the future also this will become important. So the history of this challenge, or why Prime Minister has thought about introducing such a challenge, is that earlier you might have read, you might be aware that recently India has banned about 59 Chinese applications, which include UC browser as well as TikTok. Even though we have some replacement like Google Chrome for UC browser, but all these 59 application we don't have alternatives. Okay, so we need to develop all those alternatives for all these 59 Chinese applications. That will be good for India in the future also. So that is why our Prime Minister has introduced this challenge before us. So we will be, means through this challenge, developers will be developing applications on different categories that I will tell you later, and by that we will be able to overcome this vacuum that has been created now due to this banning of 59 Chinese applications. Okay, so that is the history behind this issue. And the aim of this challenge is that this will be encouraging technologies and startup communication to create a world-class made in India applications. Okay, and this will be supporting and building a strong ecosystem for our Indian applications. So earlier also we had a support system for startups as well as Indian application to develop new application, but now the need has come, and the need will be giving the stronger support for developing this kind of applications. So another point is that this will be building digital technology for the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, which Prime Minister has announced earlier. So that is also another plus point, because by developing this application, this will be supporting Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme also. And in this scheme, innovators will be invited for developing applications mainly in 8 categories. And I told you that 8 categories are social networking, office productivity and work from home, e-learning, health and wellness, entertainment, news, business including fintech and agritech, games. So you can see the list itself. All these categories are very important at the present life, like work from home, e-learning, health and wellness. All these are important at the day-to-day life of current India. Okay, so innovators has to develop applications based on these categories. Okay, and this challenge or the application has been made available on My Government website from July 4, and the last date for the submission of entries is July 18. And after that closure of this submission date, they will be analyzing each and every application that the innovators have made, and based on their quality they will be providing rewards. Okay, so this development also have rewards. That means the rewards will be from 2 lakh to 20 lakh. Okay, between 20 to 2 lakhs to 20 lakh the reward will be there, and based on the category the reward will be fixed, and they will get the reward amount after this evaluation. Okay, so another point is that they are developing this application in two categories, that is track 1 and track 2. Okay, in track 1 what they are doing is identifying the best Indian application that are already being used by the citizen. So we have a lot so many applications which is in Indian origin, and in this track 1 these innovators will be identifying all those Indian made applications, and they will be modifying that application to make it about a world class level. Okay, so they will be improving the quality of that application to make it a world class level. That is what is they will be doing in track 1, and in case of track 2 they will be identifying Indian startups, entrepreneurs and companies, and encourage them with ideation, incubation and prototyping and rollout application. So they will be creating new application under this track 2. In track 1 they will be modifying the already made Indian application to make it a world class level, and in track 2 they will be making new application by promoting this in startups, entrepreneurs and companies. Okay, so that is what is happening in track 1 and track 2, and this will be done in partnership with Ministry of Electronics and IT, and also Adult Innovation Mission by Niti Aayog. Okay, so they have two partners like Ministry of Electronics and IT, and another one is Adult Innovation Mission of Niti Aayog. And the advantage of this startup or this initiative or this challenge is that they will be giving a push for digital India. So our minister, Prime Minister has been advocating or calling for digital India for a long time, and this will be a bigger push. This will be giving a bigger push for digital India, and this will create a kind of self-sufficiency in case of application in India, because so far we have been depending on Chinese and other American applications. So if we are developing our own application for our use, what will be the condition is that we will not have to depend on other countries for their application. So in turn this will be providing as a kind of security, both military as well as national security. Okay, so we there is no need to depend on other countries for any application, and will be secure with our application, and we can use that without any fear in any time, because there is no need of any fear like they will be banned or they will be illegitimately used by another country against us. Okay, so this is the best advantage or the positive point of this challenge. So we will have to wait for the result, because how impact this will be making among the technologists or techies. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.